Hey guys, here I am again, Barry with Barry's 8-Track and Classic Car Radio Repair, and this time we're demonstrating, as promised, the 8-track player out of Usilio's 1974 Firebird. Usilio sent me both his radio and his 8-track, and because he wanted the radio conversion wired to his original connectors, I was forced to just repair the 8-track to original stock, so we won't get that huge increase in output power, and the 8-track won't sound quite as bright and crisp as it does when we replace all the harnesses, the speaker harnesses and all that. So let's go ahead and pop some Neil Sedaka in here and make sure this thing works before we send her back. Check our balance control all the way right, left, right, left. Alrighty. Okay, and that's it. There's not much to test on a standalone 8-track, just like there's not much to test on a standalone radio. So we're going to call this stuff good because it all works properly and it's ready to go back. And I'm ready to get on to, I don't know what I'll do next. Maybe another video, maybe not. So I'm Barry with Barry's 8-Track and Classic Car Radio Repair. And you can reach me by visiting the website that's in the description below. And please download and print a work order to have in your hand before calling me with a bunch of questions, because that's what the work order's for. Considering the value of the equipment that you're going to be sending me, and the fact that you're going to be sending me a huge chunk of money, and you've never met me, you don't know me, we do everything in writing around here. There's no handshake deals, there's no agreements over the phone. If it's not in writing, I won't do it, and I won't honor it. So it's just that simple. We do business the right way around here. Everything's in writing. No guesswork, no handshake deals. So thanks so much for watching, listening, and thank you again, Usilio, for your business all the way from Lebanon, New Jersey, and we'll see you guys next time.